Hello everyone, in this video we'll be making Borromean ring in which is a 3 interlocked ring, usually a circle but can be used as other shape too. So for this example I will try to use this kind of version of Borromean ring, which is basically based on rectangle. If you look at it, it's mathematically very interesting because you can study can be example for a lot of topic. In algebra, this can be example of magma, in which the operation is which one can be, you can put in a configuration that one of the, you have the relation will be which one is on the top. For example, you can place the red one to be in the top of the yellow one and so on. And this is not, this example is similar to, is isomorphic to rock, paper, scissors, and this magma is not associated. So let's start building this. The first thing we will do is creating a sketch, rectangle, and the dimension you can choose it, but it will be good, something big. So what I'm choosing, I want it to be 120 or maybe 60 by 100. And do not finish your sketch yet because I want to create another rectangle. So let's put this in the center. The next rectangle will be starting from here to the location. This is similar to the frame. So now what I wanted to do, I want to extrude this frame, this intersection. So how much B can be 5 millimeters, good enough for our purpose. And it will be nice if we give a coloring to the shape. So click on the browser, go to body and appearance. Let's choose red. So red, put in red here. I need to use a yellow, so let's put yellow here, and green. Let's put a green here too. This one, let's use a red. So this is our first ring. Let's call it ring 1. The next ring will be basically just copy pasting this ring and modifying it using the plane. So click somewhere and move and copy, and in move object you select body and click on the body again. And next step, you need to make sure you create a copy before doing anything else. Okay, now here's the part you need to be patient and play with it. So what I want to do, I want to create a copy that will be, let's see, let me first make this one, and the angle I want to be -90 exactly. So now another step, I want to rotate it around this part. So another 90 degree, maybe I should just type it, only minus 90 degree. And then I need to move it to be in the center. Sorry, let's do it again, this part, -90, perfect. And you can look at it here, and then maybe getting closer, put it here. Let's check it again. Okay, so I want the red be inside. So I need to drag it a little. Now let's check it from side. This is look good. From the top, this is look good. So I can move it a little. Yes. And from the other side, we can just top. I think we are good enough, but just in case, yes, this should be good enough. I'm happy with this example. and this one basically the red is inside the other color. So let's color the second body, and let's choose yellow. Now the third one will be we will create in the third one. So choose one of the body. We can create this one and move or copy, and doing the same things. First, let's rotate it around. Okay, sorry. First, before doing that, click on the shape, move on copy, select body, click copy. Make sure you click on copy, and now let's start playing with this. So I need to create a plane that will be not this one. Okay, this is 0. Let's choose this plane. No. Okay, sorry, this is 0 plane. The other one, this is the one I want. And then I want to rotate it this way to 90 degree, minus 90 degree. Okay, now let's move it along this. Let's look at from the side. Then the next step is putting down. Okay, what is this one? Okay, so I need to. Okay, I don't know why this one should be here. Okay, let's look at from the other side. Okay, so what we need to do, let's look at the front. I think I need to move it from here. Okay, let's look from other side. I think now this is good. This is perfect. So, okay, this is perfect for our example. So, let's change the color and to green. This is just basically playing with the coordinate more, and the red one is basically inside. It is, I mean, it's not interlocked, but it's inside the yellow, while the green one is inside the red, and the yellow is inside the green, and green is inside the red. So then you can save it and you can import it. And next step, you can export it as as STL or 3MF, whatever you prefer. Maybe because of the color, you should do it this way. That's all. Thank you.